everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Sharon and you are welcome in this place because you are welcome to Shaz and Themba. In this video, I want to talk about the Daniel fast. I'm doing a Daniel fast for 10 days. You can do it for 21 days. And I want to show you some of the things that I bought. I will show you some of the things that I bought in a minute after I finish this introduction. Some of the things that I'm going to use on my Daniel fast. Daniel fasted for 10 days and he fasted for 21 days. So this fast is basically about just well-being, about my spirituality. That's what it's about. It's about my body, spirit, and soul. So what it's not about losing weight or anything like that. No, it's about my well-being. That's what it's about. So really the things that I'm going to do is that I will have I'm going to have some pulses, I'm going to have some fruits, nuts, vegetables, you know, everything has to be organic. So these 10 days everything that I'm going to eat would definitely have to be organic. So like for example, you know, the beans, like not too much. I'm not going to consume too much of beans or too much of legumes, but a tiny bit of that, but more of fruits, more of vegetables, and nuts. Not so much nuts. I don't know how I'm going to do with the nuts because sometimes nuts they break me out. So I will see. I'll just try and do it in moderation. But it's not all about the food. It's about what the purpose for this fast is about, is spending time with God. That is the most important thing. So Daniel prayed 3 times a day. So I will do 3 times a day prayer. In the morning when I wake up, I'll do my morning devotion, do my prayer and everything like that. At my lunchtime, at work, at break time, I have to do my prayers, you know, even if it's 30 minutes, it's something. And then in the evening as well, I have to do that for 10 days. So this is a time of refreshing of the soul. So now I want to show you what I have, a few things that I got. So I'll show you a few things that I got here. I bought some organic Greek olives. I don't know whether you can see them. So I should bring the camera. So bring the camera closer. So I have some, what do you call this thing? This is lemon. No, it's not a lemon. Big lemon. No, it's not big lemon. What do you call this thing? What's the name of this thing? It's a melon. Yeah, it's a melon. Yeah. Anyway, I have some maize, green peppers, spinach, some nuts, and then some quinoa. So bring the camera closer. So this is just a closer look of the things that I'm going to use. So I have some coconut milk. I don't know whether coconut milk is allowed, so I have to really check and see, but it's actually pure organic. I have some black-eyed beans, some penny chickpea, you know, with corn, and I have lentil. No, lentils are allowed. So, and have a few good things. These are mangoes. I have some dates, and I have some broccoli, peppers, just a wonderful, you know. Oh, and some blueberries. Actually, I got some blueberries that I haven't this lovely ripe mango. I'm gonna have it now actually. And yeah, so this is it. So I can't use any other salt apart from sea salt. So this is some of the things. I've got some organic bananas. So I'll have to definitely get. So I'm definitely going to have to get some more vegetables as the day goes, because obviously, you know, with vegetables you can't really have so many of them. So, and you have to try and avoid on this fast, you can't really have things with gluten in it, because a long time ago when they were doing this fast, when Daniel did the fast, there was no gluten in the food. It wasn't added. So everything I'm trying is gluten free. That's another thing. So your body is just going to be refreshed. Your body is just going to restart. So it's really a wonderful time. So like today, what did I have today? Today I had a smoothie, and oh, by the way, you can't have any juices unless you press them yourself from an apple, you know, but you can't have like juices from the boxes from the shops because they're full of sugar. So yeah, what else can I have? I can only have water and I can have water, maybe some herbal teas, not too much, but just a bit. So every day, guys, I am going to be updating you and just showing you what I did today, or how I went and everything like that. And if there's anything that the Lord, he's really speaking and impressing in my spirit for anybody, I will tell you if I have to. If I don't, I'll just tell you like how my day went and how I'm finding the Daniel fast. So take care, guys, and I shall see you. And I will actually show you some of the recipes that I do, that I'll be doing, and just it will be really simple things, because I can't really complicate matters, so it will really be simple things. So anyway, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, be sure to subscribe to my channel and share with your friends, and take care and stay blessed.